Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I know it's been a while since you guys last heard from me. I think it's been well over a year, or yeah, it's been over a year. I think last time I posted a video was like September. But yeah, so what's it called? I know last time I put out a video, so I'm a Huntington Bank, and Huntington, did very well for me. I actually sold out all my shares. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, so today I actually want to talk to you guys about Rocket Mortgage and UWM, which is United Wholesale Mortgage. Both are, mortgage stocks, and I know they're not the sexiest. I know not everybody loves the mortgage industry or that sector, but what I will say is both of these companies, they're kind of revolutionizing the process of buying a home or refinancing. It's so easy to just, hop on your phone, download the Rocket app, within 30 minutes upload whatever documents that they need, and to essentially get a real life quote that you can lock in for the next 30 days at whatever rate. And the best part is all the fees, they get rolled back into the mortgage, which makes it a lot easier on consumers, which I think people will just love. Not everyone has the initial 20% down or this or that, so if you can kind of get rid of the closing costs, that's huge. And the other thing is that I just don't believe the next generation plans on going into mortgage offices, sitting there trying to get all their documents together. Everything you get, whether you're W-2, 1099, you have access to all those records online already. You don't want to have to print them out or get them mailed to you, and then take them in a binder that you could damage or lose. We lose papers all the time. No one's going to want to do that. So I think based off of that, and these companies already being very profitable and showing increases in revenues and profits, I think it just makes sense that these companies are going to be taking off. They also I know UWM already has pays a dividend quarterly of 10 cents, and then as you can see here, I actually personally own 525 shares of Rocket. They're actually down right now. I own 1,200 shares of UWM. Again, they're down right now, but the stock market, it's all about cycles. These sectors all go through cycles, and right now I do believe it's a downtime, and I do believe that these price targets that are set for both these companies, they will hit. I think a Rocket debuted at $21 a share or something like that, and UWM was at about $9 or $10 a share. So I do believe that they're obviously going to get back to those original prices, but I think as people realize that these companies are kind of the future of mortgages and housing and real estate, and all that stuff, people will think these two stocks are sexy. They'll drive up the prices, and I think you should get in now before you're paying for these at a premium. And again, UWM was one of the other ones. I think I've held UWM for well over a year now. Like I said, Huntington Bank was doing great for me, but the amount of upside I believe in UWM and Rocket, is undeniable. Tech is the future. People, you saw what happened with everyone diving in with EVs and dumping in a lot of money, and what happened? They might not have had the product, they didn't have distribution, or so you see Workhorse, you see Nikola, they got nothing to show for it. These are companies that have shown that they can make money, they can be profitable, and I think that is huge. So yeah, I think I just believe in these companies, and I'm curious to see what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'd love to hear your 2 cents on these two companies. And then if you have any other companies that you want me to take a look into, or you might have reviewed, or you might have, leave them in the comments. I'd love to take a look at them. Like I said, guys, I'm hoping to get back into posting more content for you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If not, I'll see you guys later. Thank you.